Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make steak and cheese using an easy method. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of thinly sliced steak, 1 large onion, 1 bell pepper, and your preferred cheese like provolone or American. Make sure your steak is sliced very thin for quick cooking. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get those vegetables cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large skillet over medium heat. Add your sliced onions and bell peppers. Sauté them until they are tender crisp, which usually takes around 5 to 7 minutes. You want them softened but still with a little bite. Season them lightly with salt and pepper to enhance their natural flavors. Once your vegetables are ready, push them to one side of the skillet. Add your thinly sliced steak to the empty, hot side. Cook the steak quickly, breaking it apart with your spatula as it browns, which should take about 3 to 4 minutes. You want it cooked through but still juicy. Now, mix the steak and vegetables together, then lay your cheese slices over the top to melt beautifully. Your delicious steak and cheese is now ready. Carefully scoop the hot mixture onto toasted hoagie rolls. You can add your favorite condiments like mayonnaise, a dash of hot sauce, or even some extra raw onions for a crunch. This easy method delivers a fantastic sandwich every time. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade steak and cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.